So this is the performance on MC count. So the art of hiding the second last card is known as MC count. Means we have to hide the second last card in an MC count, as I had shown you now. So we can also perform this move of hiding the second last card with as many cards. Means mostly, let me show you with 3 cards. So if I have to hide these 3 cards from the spectator by performing MC count, it would be something like this. So this is how we hide 3 cards from the spectator. So in this tutorial I am gonna teach you how to perform this MC count in this tutorial. So let's begin. So that's how it look like. So let's jump to the basic, in which we have to turn this card over. So hold the card in this position just like this using your thumb and these 2 fingers. First practice pushing 2 cards over just like this as one. See, I am actually pushing 2 cards over, but it look like they are 1 card. So just practice doing this, just pushing this card like this as one, which are actually 2 cards. So you strip 1 card, you push 2 cards, and as you do this, see, you strip 1 card just like this. Then after this you are gonna pushing 2 cards. So while you push these 2 cards, you are gonna deposit this card in your right hand at the bottom. See, while pushing this card, see, you push this card, you deposit this as you are taking this with your these 2 fingers. See, just like this, aligning it. See, this way, take this card, then take this, then again take this. So that's the basic mechanism of it. So if let me show you again, you strip this card out. See, this is what's happening from behind. You put this just like this. See, it should be aligned properly. See, you deposit this at the bottom, taking it, and while taking this card like this. So it would look like this. You take this card first, deposit it, and again take this card. So that's how it look like. So we are completely hide this card. So let me show you one more time. You strip this card just like this. See, push this card while depositing this card, opening this finger little and just depositing this card here while taking this card just like this. See, when you come this, it's actually align itself. Take this card and again this card. So when you are at the last, so first you do this, and when you are at the last position, you just do this. You don't go again down like this. See, so you are here. First you go down like this. See, first go down, then after this you don't go down, you just go like this. So that's the MC count. So hope you like the tutorial. If you have any doubt about it, leave it in the wait one more time. Let me show you how to perform. If you want to know a trick on this, I had made a trick on Asher twisting the aces tutorial on it, so go check that out. So you can also do this with 3 cards, but it's actually very hard. In this you have to actually push 4 cards like this, hiding all these cards. See, just pushing 4 cards as one, it's actually much harder than pushing just 2 cards. So you can first try by doing 2 cards only, then after this go to more card, increase more cards. So first of all, let me show you not this, but first you have to practice this with only just 3 cards. Just practice this with 3 cards. Try just doing this. Just practice doing this. See, first of all, practice just doing this. How does it look like while doing this? And then practice means try this by just stripping card, not actually performing the move. See, just this way, I am just stripping away the cards. See, this way, then I add the card which you had to actually hide, and then perform the MZ count move, then practice in this card. So if you have gone this right, see this moves right means the actual flow right, then you will get this easily. See, most of the time people what they does is while they perform the move, they deposit the card between these two fingers. Never ever do this, always deposit it right here. See, sometimes people, you will see people performing MZ count that I'll also see just like this. See, sometimes you will see people performing MZ count this way and the last card will be this way. So never do this, just perform a normal MZ count as you perform. See, just this way I have to tell you. So hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace out.